Beneath the boundless sky, an anthill becomes the focal point of an extraordinary experiment. The narrator asks, "Have you ever wondered what an ant's home looks like underground?" The proclaims, "The experiment begins." Within the animated ant colony, a cement tide threatens the intricate network of tunnels and chambers, highlighting the delicate balance of their world. As the cement advances, the animation vividly portrays the specialized area's fungus garden, Queen's Chamber now under imminent threat, heightening the tension. Under the sun's gaze, scientists unearth an underground city, revealing the staggering scale and complexity of an ant colony's cement cast. The camera unveils a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers, each detail whispering tales of the ants' hidden world. The narrator whispers, "An underground city." The excavated cement structure stands starkly in the field, a haunting testament to the obliterated ant colony. Amidst the devastation, a narrator contemplates the profound ethical implications of the experiment. The question lingers in the air: the cost of discovery?